Garlic is a staple in kitchens around the world, renowned for its pungent aroma and its undeniable ability to elevate a dish from ordinary to extraordinary. But beyond its culinary uses, garlic has a reputation for being something of a natural remedy, a folk cure invoked in countless traditions for everything from warding off vampires to keeping illnesses at bay. So, what happens when you drop garlic in your toilet? Is there any truth to the rumors that this humble bulb can transform your bathroom cleaning routine? Or is it just another quirky internet tip with little real effect? To answer this question, let's start with the basics. Garlic's unique properties. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which is released when the cloves are crushed or chopped. Allicin is responsible for garlic's strong smell, but it's also known for its antibacterial and antifungal qualities. Throughout history, people have used garlic as a natural disinfectant, believing it could help purify spaces and rid them of harmful microorganisms. The idea of dropping garlic in the toilet stems from these very properties. Some suggest that placing a peeled clove of garlic in the toilet bowl overnight will help combat germs, neutralize odors, and even keep the bowl cleaner for longer. But how much of this is rooted in science, and how much is simply wishful thinking? When you drop a clove of garlic into your toilet, a few things happen immediately. First, the garlic begins to interact with the water. If the clove is crushed or cut, the allicin is released into the water, infusing it with its characteristic odor and potential antimicrobial benefits. The theory is that these compounds can help reduce bacteria in the toilet bowl, making your bathroom a little more hygienic. However, the reality is a bit more nuanced. While garlic does possess antibacterial properties, the concentration of allicin released by a single clove in a large volume of water, like that found in a toilet bowl, is likely to be quite low. Water dilutes these compounds quickly, and the environment inside a toilet is constantly changing, with new flushing and water movement introducing fresh bacteria and washing away any lingering garlic residue. Even so, some people swear by the method, claiming that leaving garlic in the toilet overnight leads to a fresher-smelling bathroom and a cleaner bowl. The strong scent of garlic can certainly mask some unpleasant odors, at least temporarily. When you flush the toilet in the morning, the garlic is whisked away, and any residual aroma may linger, giving the impression of a more sanitized space. But what about the practical implications? Is garlic truly an effective alternative to traditional toilet cleaners? Or is it simply a quirky home hack with limited effect? To answer this, it's helpful to consider the science behind cleaning and disinfection. Most bathroom cleaning products rely on chemicals specifically formulated to break down stains, kill bacteria, and eliminate odors. These products are designed for the job, and their efficacy far exceeds that of a single clove of garlic. Garlic's antimicrobial properties, while real, are not potent enough in the context of a toilet bowl to replace these cleaners entirely. For instance, while allicin can inhibit the growth of some bacteria, it's unlikely to have a significant impact on the wide range of microorganisms commonly found in bathrooms, especially when diluted in water. Moreover, garlic doesn't address mineral stains, hard water buildup, or the discoloration that can accumulate in toilet bowls over time. That said, garlic isn't without its charms. Its natural origins make it appealing to those seeking chemical-free solutions for everyday cleaning tasks. If you're sensitive to harsh chemicals or simply curious about natural alternatives, experimenting with garlic can be a fun and harmless way to explore what nature has to offer. Just keep in mind that its effects are likely to be mild, and you'll still need to rely on your usual cleaning routine for truly spotless results. In terms of odor control, garlic's pungency can be both a blessing and a curse. While it may mask some unpleasant smells, it replaces them with its own distinctive aroma, which may not be universally appealing. For some, the scent of garlic in the bathroom is preferable to chemical fragrances. For others, it's an unwelcome intrusion. Ultimately, this comes down to personal preference. There's also the question of plumbing. Garlic is biodegradable, and a single clove is unlikely to cause any harm to your toilet or pipes. However, it's always wise to exercise caution when introducing foreign objects into your plumbing system. Repeatedly dropping food items into the toilet can lead to blockages over time, especially if you experiment with larger quantities or different substances. So, what's the verdict? Dropping garlic in your toilet is an interesting experiment, and it may offer some minor benefits in terms of odor control and natural antimicrobial action. However, it's not a miracle solution. Garlic cannot replace regular cleaning or eliminate the need for effective disinfectants. It's best seen as a supplement, a quirky addition to your cleaning routine, rather than its foundation. If you're intrigued by the potential of garlic and want to give it a try, here's what you can expect. A mild, temporary freshening effect, a subtle scent of garlic in your bathroom, and perhaps a small psychological boost from knowing you're using a natural ingredient. For serious cleaning, though, it's wise to stick with products designed for the job. The fascination with garlic in the toilet is part of a broader movement toward natural living and DIY solutions. People are increasingly curious about ways to reduce their reliance on chemicals and embrace gentler, more sustainable methods. Garlic, with its storied history and versatile properties, fits neatly into this narrative. Whether you're using it to ward off illness, flavor your food, or freshen your toilet, garlic remains a symbol of resourcefulness and tradition. In conclusion, dropping garlic in your toilet is unlikely to revolutionize your cleaning routine, but it's a harmless and interesting experiment. It offers a glimpse into the world of natural remedies and a reminder that sometimes the simplest ideas are the most intriguing. So the next time you find yourself with a spare clove of garlic and a touch of curiosity, feel free to give it a try. You may not discover a miracle cure, but you'll be participating in a long tradition of using nature's gifts in creative and unexpected ways. And who knows, you just might enjoy the experience enough to make it a quirky part of your bathroom routine.